Hello children, in the EVS part 1, in the first chapter, the life cycle of animals, we learn about that life cycle means reproduction. Reproduction means giving a birth. Here, then we have learned that there are some animals which are born and grown in the mother's tummy. Some babies grow in their mother's tummy and born from the mother's tummy. यानी मम्मी के टमी से ही वो born होते हैं और ग्रोथ मम्मी के टमी में growth होते हैं, right? Then there are some and that animals are like cat, then goat, cow, buffaloes, horse, elephant, correct? And if we observe them, there are no more difference in both of them. They look similar. They look similar. Then we have done one of the activity in which we classified the animals, those who lay eggs, right? For example, a hen lays eggs. Then there are some more animals like ants, snakes, butterflies, they also lay eggs, right? And the babies come out from the eggs that we have learned about it. Here if you observe, a hen and the chick look similar. These both look similar, their body parts are same, right? But there are some animals who doesn't look same when they are young and when they grow as an adult. So today we are going to talk about a butterfly and the caterpillar. Okay, we all of you know about the caterpillar and the butterfly, so let's learn more about it. So there are some animals, those young one grows into an adult that looks very different from the young one. This changes of form is called as a metamorphosis. Metamorphosis, what do we call it? Metamorphosis, that means the young one grows into an adult animals and they look very different from the young one. यानी जब भी वो यंग रहते हैं, छोटे किड रहते हैं दैट टाइम पे, एंड व्हेन दे बिकम अ अडल्ट यानी जब भी वो ग्रो होके बड़े होते हैं दैट टाइम पे देयर आर द वास्ट डिफरेंस. सो दिस चेंज इज कॉल्ड एज अ मेटामॉर्फोसिस. Okay, so I will repeat it again. Metamorphosis, that means young one grows into an adult animal that looks very different from the young one. So this change of form is called as metamorphosis. So today in this chapter we are going to learn about metamorphosis in a butterfly. There are various butterflies that we can see in our surrounding, in our environment. Okay, butterflies grow and they pass through 4 stages. Into how many stages? 4 stages. Butterflies जब भी birth लेता है तभी it passes through the 4 stages, and that stages are, first one is egg, second is larva, pupa, and the last one is the adult. And the adult stage is called as a butterfly. Here you can say this is the adult butterfly and it is called as a butterfly. So let's go through it. Butterfly lay their eggs on the milkweed tree leaf. Okay, and all of us know about, we see this milkweed tree around us, जिसे हम लोग हिंदी में रुई बोलते हैं. So they lay eggs on the leaf of a milkweed tree. Here you can see the eggs of a butterfly. A larva came out or emerges from the egg, and that larva of a butterfly is called as a caterpillar. Okay, so if you observe this, it comes out from the eggs. When the caterpillar comes out of the egg, it's very hungry, so it's begin to nibble and eat the leaf, यानी वो पत्ते खाना चालू, and because of it its growth is a very rapid, यानी वो बहुत जल्दी से बढ़ने लगता है. And then next stage is a pupa. So after that, the caterpillar rapidly grows, and then it it started getting covered with a skin. But under the old skin, a new loose skin is formed on the growing caterpillar, and then the caterpillar sheds the old skin, and that is called as a molds. Before the last mold, the caterpillar waves a button of a silken thread on a stalk or on a leaf and hang itself. That is called as a chrysalis. So pupa is also called as a chrysalis. And after that, after next 11 or 12 days, it does not eat anything. And inside the chrysalis, important changes takes place in its body. And after that, the other butterfly emerges from the chrysalis. Here you can see it from the photo. So these are the 4 stages.